Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. I'm Shruti and today we are going to talk about something super exciting and which is changing the world, how businesses work, AI application development. So if you are interested in AI or app development or in both of them and want to create an amazing AI application through us or from any other company, then stick around because today I'm going to cover each and everything. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering that what it is so special about AI when it comes to app development. Well, think of AI or artificial intelligence as a brain of your application which allows your applications to do more than just run. It makes your application more smarter so that here it can predict what your users actually want. It can see and learn from the users, and here it can also give you everything and personalized experience to your users and to your every users. Here's an interesting fact. According to Statista, the global AI software market is on its track to hit $126 billion by just 2025. And why so? Because more and more businesses are now realizing that AI is just not even helping them to stay relevant, but it is also helping them to grow their overall business. And it's not just about the big companies jumping on the boat. The small and medium-sized businesses are also using AI to gain an edge. And here's why. When you use AI in your application, it increases the work efficiency by 40%. Imagine that your workers are focusing on important work in your business, and here your app or your AI application is handling your daily questions, means your routine questions, scheduling the meetings, or even suggesting the strategies according to the data. So this is the efficiency every business dreams about. At our company, we have seen firsthand that how AI can change the game really. For example, one of our clients from retail world has seen 25% increase in customer engagement after we added AI-powered product recommendations to their application. And what does that mean? It means that the customers were seeing the exact things which they really wanted, and this has increased the overall time the people or the customers are spending on their application, and also the people are now shopping and spending more time on the overall application. And these results aren't just rare cases. Across many industries like shopping, logistics, finance, and even healthcare, AI is becoming the secret ingredient to take your application from good to amazing. Businesses with AI have seen higher customer retention, higher customer engagement, and faster response. When you have AI in your application and when your application knows your customers in a better way and gives faster responses, people really notice it. Now let's talk about some popular ways you can use AI to make your application stand out. First is predictive analysis, which guesses what your users might want next after observing their past actions. So this is really going to help in retail markets where your AI can suggest what your users might need, and here your users are not even thinking about searching this item, but when they get this item, they are definitely going to buy this. Next is personalized recommendations or personalized content. Imagine you have a streaming application where everything is personalized according to you. You are getting everything what you want and everything is personalized according to your needs. So here your customers feel special and they come back again on your application. And lastly, don't forget about the voice recognition. So here you can use voice recognition if you don't want to use your hands, or for people who can't use their hands. Voice recognition can also work as a security method. It can also, here you can also use face recognition or any other stuff which you can use AI and you can create an application that is great among the whole market. So whether you want to make your customer happier, want to skip time on your daily routine work, or you want to be high in the whole competitive market, AI is the way to stand out. And if you seriously want to build an AI application application, then feel free to contact us, because here in our company we have helped countless clients to turn their dream application, maybe about the AI or any other application, and now they are generating a huge amount of revenue, and AI is really helping them a lot. So if you also want to create an AI application, then feel free. Our contact number is given in the description box. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for further information you can visit our website, which is also linked in the description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.